actually looks pretty good. Something like that. Alright, in that last video I put out, you seen me cut off those two pieces on this old steering column. This is the old Volkswagen steering column. Those pieces are right here. Basically, this just slides on. How's it go? This slides on nice like that with a little clamp. These are the directional switches, turn signals, wipers. And then what I'm going to do is I have this 1.5 inch tubing. I'm going to cut it, actually sit inside of here, weld it up, and then all that will sit on top of the rack. Oh, the column rather. It'll sit on top of the column. But I can't really weld this in the right spot until I get the steering boss and see how far my steering wheel is, because I don't want this sitting way the fuck down here. I want up near the wheel, near my hands would be, you know. And I use this on my other car too, and it works. I fucking love it. It's awesome. Doesn't twist or move or anything.
Cooked.
Alright, so I threw the seat in just temporarily, just so I could at least get the column somewhat lined up. I think it's in a spot where I think it'll be pretty good. I had my old steering wheel on it. It seems pretty good. So now I'm going to take everything back out apart and focus on the firewall. So I'm going to try and clean all the rough stuff up way in the back there and grind all smooth as best I can. I think I've decided I'm just gonna cut all of that shit out right there. the fuck is going on?